Good tides only. Otter gang. Good tides only. Otter gang. Good tides only. Otter gang, otter gang, otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
Easy spoon feeding the setups.
Set, slow.
Don't be a dick for a dick.
Chill.
Be-wop slap. Bring it back.
We walk slap.
Bring it back.
We walk slap. We walk slap. We walk slap.
Sit back, lean low, feel that breeze. Try move slow, I move with ease. Everybody rush, I let it be. If it ain't my zone, it ain't for me. Alexo, flow like tide. Lord Otter, let the ride. King Beaver, build inside. And one clean move, multiply. No rush, no race. Let it come right place. Stay cool, stay still.
That's how
You win.
trading is waiting. Spoon, feed the setup. Don't be a dick for a dick. Don't be a dick.
For a dick.
No stress, no fear, just flow. They overtrade, I let it go. Watch that level, then I know. When it hit, I take that dough.
Don't be a douche, canoe, relax. Seen too many lose like that. Your namby-pamby falling flat. Otter gang, we don't react.
Otter gang.
Otter gang.
Otter gang. Otter gang. Otter gang. Trading is waiting. Spoon, feed the setup.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
V-wop flat. Otter gang. Otter gang. Otter gang.
Good times only.
Otter gang. Otter gang.
Good your night.
Otter gang.
Otter gang, order gang, order gang. Good times.
Only.
Good times. Only. Good times.
Good times only. Otter gang.
Good times only.
Otter gang. Trading is waiting.
Wait, easy.
Spoon feeding the setup.
Set slow.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Chill, breathe.
V-wop slap, bring me back.
Sit back. Lean up, feel that breeze. Charge move slow, I move with ease. Everybody rush, I let it be. If it in my zone, it ain't for me.
AlexO, flow like tide, Lord, order, let it ride. King, Beaver, build inside, then one clean move, multiply.
No rush, no race, let it come, right place. Stay cool, stay still, that's how you win.
Hot the gang, trading is waiting.
Spoon, spoon, feed the setups.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Wop slap, bring it back,
Sit back, lean low, feel that breeze. Cars move slow, I move with ease. Everybody rush, I let it be. If it in my zone, it ain't for me. AlexO, flow like tide, Lord, order, let it ride. King, Beaver, build inside, then one clean move, multiply.
No rush, no race, let it come, right place. Stay cool, stay still, that's how you win, you win, you win, you win. The gang, the gang,
The gang, trading is waiting.
wait, easy.
Spoon, feeding the setup.
Set, slow,
Don't be a dick for a tick.
chill, breathe,
V-wop, slap,
bring it back.
sit back, lean low, feel that breeze. Charts move slow, I move with ease. Everybody rush, I let it be. If it in my zone, it ain't for me.
AlexO, flow like tide, Lord, order, let it ride. King, Beaver, build inside, then one clean move, multiply.
No rush, no race, let it come, right place. Stay cool, stay still, that's how you win.
The gang, the gang, the gang. Put on with LBC. I put on with LBC. Yeah, I put on with LBC. On with LBC. I put on with LBC. On with LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put on for LBC, over LBC. I put on for LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. It is a Wednesday, July 15th, 2026 at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A little bit later of a start than usual, but that's okay. That's okay. What's going on? How you doing? Alexander G, Mod Queen, Mod Boss, Mod Guy. Thank you for being here, and thank you for pinning the Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate that. Make sure you guys join the free Discord. Link is in the description. It is also pinned in the chat. Oh, we've got Duality C, not of this world. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Alien and all. I don't know. What's going on? How you doing, Duality? What's going on, Mike Volmer? What's going on, bro? Guess what day it is? Mike. It is hump day. What's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. We've got Furniture Guy. Yo, school is open. What's up, Otters? What's going on, Furniture Guy? Thank you for being here. Thank you all for joining me this evening. Yes, I wanted to do some volume analysis tonight. I figured maybe I just do some teaching while I'm trying to trade at the same time. Currently back testing this value area high. We've got a -2 delta. We've got to pay attention. This is volume footprints. You've got to have a premium or at least an upgraded. I think maybe it has to be premium trading view in order to get this exact thing. I'm pretty sure though there are indicators, free indicators. Volume footprints. And this is something that really, what if I just do footprints? I deleted volume footprints instead of volume. Volume footprints for BTC, USDT, Binance, order block footprints, Algo Alpha, candlestick footprints. That sounds closer to what I'm looking for. Surfinit CVD footprints. All right, hold on. Squirrel moment. I don't see anything. Oh, that doesn't look like footprints at all. Anchor period chart. What? All right. How about we just don't mess with new indicators unless they are very self-explanatory. Potential bounce here. We rejected the 430 anchored volume profile. POC. Before let's do this because I want to go over what I was looking for this morning and what played out, and if it played out, guess what? It did. But I was watching a couple of areas. We've got these equal lows here, and I actually did take the short. I made, was it like 16% something? Was it even that? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Alcetti Spaghetti, what's going on, bro? What's up, fam? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Just swell. Beef Swellington. We should make a bunch of like food names, but like turn them into like beach themes. So we have a whole bunch of equal lows, relatively equal lows. So these are all levels that I was watching. This is kind of I don't know. Maybe. Here, let's mark it off. It's close, but I don't know. We did take it. But yeah, so I was watching that as I saw that get put in this morning. Right after market open, we get the dump, and then we start pushing to the upside. And as we are pushing to the upside, I'm watching CVD, and I see CVD rising and rising and rising. And it continued to rise and put in higher highs, and price was putting in higher highs. However, we have a nice bid here, okay? So, but here's the issue. First and foremost, we have the equal highs that we've been eyeballing all week. I'm going to turn that off. That's not it. Hold on. Zoom out. We got to zoom out. Whoa. 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 These equal highs here. We took those. Oh, we took those yesterday. Today's thesis was the 5-wave impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is how I drew it up. And that's why I expected the push, but I also was looking for the reversal. And I still think, I mean, we went over this last night, still think we took, let's see, we took this swing low, correct? Did we? This actually, wave 3 ended here. That's why this was my swing low. We did just sweep that. Therefore, this can turn into an ABC. I know I've got a lot of stuff on the chart. Sorry. What did I... Wait, was that important? Yes. If I can turn that off. So I was watching price move to the upside. However, I was also watching CVD up in here and noticed, CVD's relatively strong, pushing to the upside, creating a much higher high than over here. So what is this telling me? Why price is more or less going sideways in this zone? We put in some relatively equal highs over here. We put in these equal highs here. So I anticipated that we would just run up, take out these highs, and then run to the downside to take all the equal lows. I actually missed that last dump. Kind of angered me because I literally exited my short position like 2 seconds before it decided to dump on this last little dump right here. Maybe it wasn't 2 seconds. I think it was like this candle. I don't know why. I don't know that I had the VWAP up at the time, so I might have just missed that. It might right here, yeah. So I might have just missed that rejection of the VWAP, because that would have made me feel a little better about holding on. But I was so close to my target, I was just like, let's just exit, take the profit, and run. I was also at the same time feeling greedy. I was feeling a little greedy. Even though I was thinking it might pop to the upside, I was like, yeah, but I still think this turns into an ABC and corrects to the downside. I was like, well, I could take profit here, let it retrace, and then open up a new short. Don't be greedy. Take the profit. Took the profit. Nice America hat, bro. Thank you. What's going on? JR, J Rizzle, the Rizzler. How you doing, my friend? The Riz Master of Kanukistan. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Great streams today. 2Dub in the house. What's going on, 2Dub? Thank you for being here. What happened? Am I still alive? I think so. Looks like it. So yeah, I might be about to enter along here. Scalp long. You see the break. Long, value area low. Might be time to risk it for the biscuit. Oh, so, but yeah, I see nothing but liquidity here that wants to get tooketh. So that's what I think will happen. So I was watching this. Sorry, I gotta stop with the squirrels. I know. I'm seeing strong CVD. So what does that mean? So that means buyers are aggressively bidding. But what is price doing? It is going sideways. It's not good. You get one punch of a breakout and you fail. It's something I noticed at the exact same time because I was on Blowfin getting ready for a short. What I noticed at the time was that Blowfin did not take out this high on this candle. It didn't take out this high until this candle. Why is that significant? Because we're seeing general weakness, not just on one exchange, but on others, different exchanges with different liquidity. And Blowfin doesn't have quite the same. I don't know. I honestly don't know who has more. I imagine Bybit. Bybit's been around for longer, so. But Blowfin, see, did not take out that high on that candle. It took it out on this candle. And then once you get that clear push and push down, and then that close, I mean, it's go time. I almost, if it wasn't for me seeing this on Blowfin, seeing that it hadn't taken it out, I might have jumped the shark a little bit. But since I saw that there was disagreement for the same asset but different exchange, I decided to wait because it seemed like we might see a push, another attempt at a breakout. But instead, you see, we also got a delta divergence here. So we had negative delta, but a positive candle. And this is going right into that sweep. So a little bit of another warning sign there. So generally, overall, in short, what we saw was buyers and aggressive bidding being absorbed at the highs and at a key time within market structure, within a fifth wave of a 5-wave impulse, at the end of the fifth wave. And then that was it. We also, at the time, because this is how I've been doing my stuff lately, if you've been paying attention, I had the anchored volume profile. I'm going to have to do a fixed, but at 8:30, and I'm just sitting here watching this, and we've got the value area high up here. Can you click, please? Hello? Did you die? What? Hello? Okay, thank you. Oh, there it is. And leading up to that price, and we're just attacking that value area high of the 830. So that was another reason I was just like, I mean, we're not being able. This is called a failed auction. So price is trying to move higher, but there's either too many sellers or too big of a seller, of a few sellers. And they are absorbing all the price here. Not only was I looking at that, I also, let's go down to the 3 minute because I'm pretty sure I had it on the 3. I also, Wick 589. Chadwick, bro, how you doing? Thank you for being here. 2 months. How's it going, bro? Hope you're doing well. Now, on the 3 minute, I was on the volume footprints. And I was also watching these wicks. And you know what I noticed? Look at sellers, buyers. Big buyers up here. Not very many sellers. This is going to sound counterintuitive to what we're taught. But this, because the candle closed the way that it did, we had a 107 delta, plus 107, meaning buyers were extremely aggressive up here, but we didn't have any sellers up here. So why does that not lift price up? Because we see you can't buy if no one's selling, first and foremost. If no one's selling up here, what are you buying? Who are you buying from? But secondly, whoever 2 is, and 4, and 30, like all this stuff in here, we are absorbing these buyers. And what this is telling us is that even though buyers were very aggressive right here, price failed to fulfill the orders. The orders failed. I'm trying really hard. My family's not here, and I'm just sad. No, I'm kidding. I mean, it is lonely, but I do have our younger daughter, but she's a teenager, so she just stays in her room. But anyways, so anytime we see like these zeros and we see like big numbers over here, something's not jiving if the price doesn't follow. Okay? If we push back down, this is saying buyers were aggressive, but price didn't go with it, which is showing lack of momentum, but also absorption. And then we come over here, and now we start to fill those orders, but we're still trapping buyers up here. And that's what's happening. We're trapping buyers, and because we needed their liquidity so that we could push price back to the downside. But it's not as simple as that. It's an auction. It's an auction. This was a failed auction. You can't buy if no one's selling. You can't sell if no one's buying. Okay, I can't buy up here because no one's selling. So now we got to push price lower. We got to have the auction push price lower in order to entice sellers. It doesn't make sense to me either. Unless you know that a thing called shorting the market exists. Oh, I want to short here. 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 What does that do? Well, it's going to send price down. You're selling. And this is just number of orders. So that's why you got to think of it like, 17 can have a volume or like a cost of 1 million. Right, the 17 right here. So this can have like $1 million in it, okay? I'm just going to try and use my simple brain to explain it simply. You have $1 million in these 17 orders. But over here, in just 8 orders, we have 1.5 million, right? So we're able to absorb all of that 1 million in these 17 orders. Does that make sense? Damn, you're in the matrix, bro. Yeah, I know. Getting lost in the sauce. That's the idea. I lost track of time. Oh no, Melissa. Don't lose track of time. I'll tell you what though, I think this whole permanent daylight savings time thing is really, really, really stupid. As someone that works in a service industry, because we would literally have to change our business hours twice a year because we can't do our job in the dark. And we're not doing our job in the dark. Late mornings? No one wants that. Look at all these stacked orders. 0, 0, 0, 0. All these zeros. Notice price following through, right? CVD agreeing. CVD delta. We do have a positive delta, but it in a red candle. Again, positive delta, red candle. These buyers getting absorbed. They're not able to maintain price. And price just continues to fall. Buyers galore. Delta positive, delta positive, delta positive, delta positive. 143 delta. Minus 115, minus 38, minus 95. They're hitting the bid, but price is going flat. And then buyers get exhausted and you fall through. Lots of positive delta in here. Lots of negative in here, of course. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Yeah, I'm in the matrix, bro. We're getting lost in the sauce. I could just do some double clicking here. There we go. So yeah, there you go. Volume footprints in a nutshell. So now let's see where we're at, what we're doing. What are we doing? What happened here at VWAP? And also you want to look at for these things at your key levels, you know, not just on a whim. So right now, so this candle, positive delta, but negative candle. Positive delta, positive candle. Delta of 1 and negative, but hammer or hanging man. What is this one? I can never keep up with the candle pattern names. Let's see, we're on a 3-minute. What do we have down here? 1, 1. Big push. Then sideways. Not really seeing anything amazing right now. All right, let's get off the footprints, because that is just something I will use every now and then. Omega-3 is where to be. I do need some omega-3, huh? From my brain. Are you calling me stupid? Let's see. So we've just back tested Monday high and got a push off of it. Came up to the previous week high, which right now is a battle to hold. So what I'm currently thinking, I still think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that's of your 5th wave. I'm still thinking, since we did take the swing low, I think we pop maybe up to 930. Open 65 to 85. That gives us our A, our B, then our C, and then maybe we wrap things up. Maybe it comes down lower. Who knows? But that would be a pretty wicked range here, man. Consolidation range. No, I know. There's a lot of stuff on the chart. It's okay. We can just delete it. Whatever. And let's see. Yeah. I wish there was like a name for this pattern. So I've seen this a lot. That's another fail breakout. Trying to hold the Monday high that was put in here. So at this point, I want to see. That looks good. I want to see price reclaim and potentially push higher. We do have the previous month midpoint sitting up here at 66.59. Hola, Wick. Previous day high. I don't know. It feels like it might go lower. Let's take in let's do volume profile from the low. Yeah, so we came up to value area high, rejected. Now we're below the POC. Point of control. Point of control is where most of your volume took place within the value area. The value area is the volume from wherever you have it anchored to. So if I have it anchored to this low, that means it's taking in the volume of all of these candles. It's plotting it over here to the right. And 70%, wherever 70% within a consolidated range, wherever 70% of the trading the volume took place, that's your value area. And you can go in here, you can actually change this. I mean, if you want to do a 40%, you could do it. You make it tighter, 50, wider. You could do that. 70 though, I've been playing the crap out of 70. And Bitcoin's so volatile that 70 really works. But if you're trading something like a stock or something that's just not as volatile as Bitcoin, like half, if not a fraction, you can actually probably bring it down to 40 and be good. Just something I've picked up along the way. Now we didn't bullish engulf here, at least on Bybit. Not on Blowfin either. Okay. Mike V. I'm glad to know I'm most people's bedtime show, which means I'll put you to sleep. And I honestly don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Is the voice just that soothing? Oh, look who it is. The man, the myth, the legend, Army Piper. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Mad love and respect. So yeah, the overall idea now that we've put in the, and this is the thing, I was talking about this last night. We kind of had, I mean, and it's playing out so far, a running flat. We come up shy, just shy of taking a low, pushing to the upside, and that's a consolidation pattern. But with the 5-wave impulse, there's a chance that we ABC here, and my other, sorry for the bright lights, but my other thesis I think would potentially get invalidated. When we come all the way back down over here to 59,527. But it's got a lot of work to do. But if it does get a continuation in here after an ABC, the thing is though, this has been, I mean, we can start an impulse here. Well, 1, 2. This whole thing would be 3. But none of this. This is hogwash. Wouldn't it be great if we had an alternative platform to TradingView that could use open source coded indicators and get real-time order book data? Yeah. Yep. It would. One of these days. There's actually, what was that one? Was it Kayotaka? Someone in the Otter Gang shared this once. And my piece, it might be my PC, but it's kind of slow a little bit for me, and that could very, 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 very much be just my PC. But allegedly, whatever this, I think it's like open source. Honestly, I think it's an open source deal here. But what is going on up here? Are y'all seeing that? What is that? Ooh. I probably need to sign in because I had a chart built out. Is that supposed to be an ad, or is my computer screen dying? What's going on here? This is why I never use this site. I can't remember. Sorry, I gotta log in. I have an account. It's free. New. Oh, they added market replay. Look at that. Oh, check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Order book. Real-time volume profile. It's actually pretty sick. You've got your look at the volume on that thing. Must work out. But yeah, I was playing with this, and it's pretty cool. You got a heat map. It takes in perps from Binance, Bitfinex, OKX, Bybit, Hyperliquid, and I don't know that one. Classic. You can change the colors, of course. Values, intensity. But essentially, I don't like the magnifier. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I just saw it. I don't want it. It's got spot, perps, spot. Like being able to see spot, man, that's just amazing. Resolution, definitely not going 4K. Aggregate, you can do single, you can do aggregates. HL liquidation, HL TPSL, hyperliquid TPSL. This is giving me a no, you're not allowed. So that must be a premium thing. Oh, magnifier. Turn it off. Thank you. Okay, so we're looking at, if I'm looking at this, this is all the yellow is it's a heat map, right? Like your liquidation heat maps. Most liquidation heat maps are not real time, or they're not real data. Like coin glasses is not data. It's an algorithm. It's all it is. It's an algorithm. Kind of, you know, you can find indicators out there that show you heat maps, but they're not actual orders that were placed in the order book like this. So here you can see people putting in bids, right? And then what happens up here? So don't forget, that's something I forgot about the volume footprints. And that's the thing. You got to let price kind of... You see the underneath, but price has to tell you the story still, okay? But remember when we were... okay, so here's a couple of zeros. It was on the 3 minutes, so the numbers are different. But so you got the 64 here on the buy side. Now, just because... Okay, so technically, it's a buy order. However, and same with CVD. Okay. Technically, it's a buy order, okay? But these can be closed. These orders pop up. These are buy orders that could also be closed, not just opened. So we could have buyers closing, taking profit at these highs. What are they doing? Selling. So even though we see 64 buy orders, 0 sell orders, we could have take profits and buyers getting trapped at the same time. Whoa. Does that make sense? Those are likely stop loss orders down there, potentially. Potential stops below the low. And you can see this liquidity getting cleared. So pretty neat, man. Pretty neat. This fills in real time. They pull data from different exchanges. I just don't look at it too often because it is a little slow for me, probably because it's taking in real-time data and my CPU is absolute garbage. Because if you're going to take in real-time data, you got to have power. 1.21 billion in 24-hour volume. API. Let's just click it. Open API, every market. Hyperliquid, Polymarket, Coinbase, Binance. If anyone ever does that with a good code team, it will be amazeballs. I agree. I agree. Look at this. Free, basic, standard, advanced. These are monthly. 99. I mean, you got to pay for real-time data. So, uh, historical data, 30 days. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wait, is that like on the 1 minute? 100 rate limit? 150 W a minute? What's the W? What's the rate limit? 150 W a minute. No idea. 1500, 350, 150, 10. Is this promising me 150 wins a minute? Hola, French toaster. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you for being here. API keys. Hold on, is this gonna it's under account, so gotta be careful. Create your first API key. So I can use an API key for what though? What do I need to integrate? Oh, well, I mean, it's open source. I don't know. I don't know how that works. Anywho, are we bouncing or what? Or falling, continuing the fall? At session VWAP, just chilling. Chilling like a bunch of villains on penicillin. Straight killing. In a video game. Not much. I just, there's no trading during my stream. That's just how it goes. Usually you see a move the hour before my stream. I mean, probably could have, but still, this happened 10 minutes before my stream. I thought about taking that short, but I was also in the middle of in the middle of prep, so I was like, I can't focus. So I considered it because it was a break bearish back test right up my anchored POC. So anchored volume profile POC. And that is something I've been paying attention to even more. But so I anchor volume profile, or well, volume profile and VWAP to the 8:30 every morning. Okay, I'll watch that first hour. I'll watch market open, and I see what happens at market open. We came down to the session VWAP. Let's go down to this 3. Nothing happened after here to confirm a bounce. We didn't even tap the 8:30 VWAP. We do come down here. We tap off session VWAP, leave behind the equal lows. So I'll mark those. Watches come up, claim, and hold. Problem is, look at this upper wick. Don't really like that. But I do like pushing down and then coming back up and closing above. That's nice. Even though I was anticipating for us to take these highs, I didn't see much juice left. I mean, I posted it in the Discord, posted it in the Otter Gang Discord. I was just looking for that one final push for the 5-wave. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either way, the 5th wave, inside the 5th wave, That was me. I was looking for a reversal at that point, and then I got it. So at key levels, all good. This is just slop. Can't trade this stuff, man. That's why I gotta start looking around more. I gotta start looking at other things. See, XRP's moving a little bit. What does Asia like? Do they like BNB? Where's the volume? What's the quickest way to check volume on coins? CoinGlass? Better yet, who has... I thought CoinGlass... Didn't CoinGlass have like hourly volume? Open interest 1 hour. Okay, let's check that out. Minus 15. Something's pushing down. Yeah. Well, it could have been pushing up too. Open interest percentage going down can mean prices going up or down. You just got to see what's going on at the time. Rock? I don't even know. I don't know what it is. Sounds like a meme coin. Rock. USDT. P. Tell me it's on Blowfin. I don't see it. OKX, BitGet, Gate, Mexi, Bitmart, Weeks, LBank. And that's it. But the open interest, oh sheesh. I forget about altcoins. You got to zoom out on altcoins, bro. On a lot of them. Order books are so thin. So thin. Gosh, if you're on the 4 hour and the chart looks like this, just stay away. Just stay away. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's just chaos. There's no rhyme or reason. Okay. I just want volume, man. Liquidation. Ooh, what's this? Total Bitcoin spot ETF net inflow. Oh. That's neat. Pretty bullish lately, it looks like. Or at least lots of buyers lately. Why is this? Okay, whatever. I'm over it. Over it. Who has the best funding rate? Average RSI is above 50. Altcoin season. Piper, we're getting an altcoin season. Can you believe it? Okay. I really... Volume overview. Please tell me. Spot volume. Ooh. I'm going to be looking at this a lot more. Futures volume 164 billion. Woo! Which is actually down 9.84%. Happy birthday, Melissa. Melissa, it's your birthday? Doesn't supply have everything to do with it? Hey, what's going on, Curtis Hill? Have everything to do with what? Yes, maybe? I don't know. Sorry, I didn't see you. I didn't see you up there. Oh, freaking top chat. Yeah. Good evening. Spot volume down BTC futures volume down 23%. Jeez. BTC spot volume down 14.5. 24-hour futures volume ranking. Bitcoin, ETH running the show, of course. Solana, SanDisk, SNDK. I guess it is SanDisk Perpetual. Oh, hold on. Hold the phone. What is that? 1,584. 1,006. So overnight 1,583. Okay, so it is SanDisk. Tokenite, we're putting. This is what I don't want. Okay. Can we? I mean, it's futures, but can we just keep tokenized stocks separate from crypto? At least like in our data here. That would be amazing. There's already enough cryptocurrencies as it is. Zcash volume still. What are we doing, Zcash? Good night, Alexandra G. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate you. Wait, is this that joke where you just say happy birthday when it's not really their birthday? Wow, guys, this thing did a whole $591 in volume. Wow. 43 Billy, Solana, SanDisk. What is this? Skynix. I'm gonna get in trouble trying to say that one. Soxel, Skahi, Gold, Zcash, Hype, XRP, MU. There's a few stocks up in here. SpaceX. That's the thing, man. We're about to go. The whole market's just gonna be meme stonks. Meme stonks. And is SpaceX even a meme stonk? Just because it's Elon Musk doesn't mean it's a meme stonk. But things that have hype, right? Things that have hype. Woo. I was screaming from the rooftops about buying the SpaceX IPO. So please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I've never seen an IPO. Maybe it's happened before. With my own eyes, I've never seen an IPO not pump and dump, or at least not dump. Because I think Coinbase had a very brief pump. I don't even know. Did it even finish its first day in the positive? Because that was literally the top of the market of the last bull market. The first top, anyway. Just literally the top of the market was when Coinbase IPO'd. I remember it like it was yesterday. I know exactly where I was in East Memphis at a client's house. And I just remember being like, this is crazy. But at the same time being like, but it's like peak euphoria. and then it died. How easy is it going to be for Coinbase to become tokenized? I don't even remember the last time I looked at this chart, and this is still holding. It's actually kind of crazy. It just bounced off of it. I should have been looking at this chart, man. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Day one. Down day. And it never came back to take the high of that day. Until it barely did here. This last July. That's an interesting structure you got there. You didn't take the high though, so I don't really like it. One reason why I don't like trading stonks is because I don't like gaps in my candles. It messes with the ADHD brain because it's got to fill the gaps. Only 55% of SPX shares will be traded next summer. Now it's like 5 or 10%. Wait, is that many that's locked up? They should have an option to separate it. Oh, yeah. Not a joke? Oh. Well, happy birthday, Melissa. You should have told me. I'd have sent you something. I still got a whole fat stack of LBC stickers. Anybody want some LBC stickers? Let me know. NASDAQ, still not looking too shabby. Can't show my CVDs on the daily, huh? 4 hour? Oh, it's because I have it set to 1 day. 1 week. Yeah, these highs still looking juicy AF. It's kind of... So these equal highs... Just kind of waiting. Trading is waiting. What I like is this. If this is to be some kind of head and shoulders, I like that the right shoulders came in higher than the low of this shoulder. It's got to hold though. We got to push up. Back test. Top of the highs. If it can hold, then I think it could get another push, man. 4, 5. ABC correction. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then bigger ABC correction. August makes sense. The stock market does often bottom before Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually tops before the stock market. Yes, that does mean the window for Bitcoin's push to the upside is smaller. And then from there, we can see like this get going, get an ABC maybe, and then see it get going again. Third wave, push. This might be drawn out way longer, but I was thinking maybe in this correction, maybe a month later, or in July, or rather October, you kind of see everything kind of go down together-ish. Bitcoin goes with everything. Bitcoin bottoms here. We're pretending this is October. Which is just a correction for the NASDAQ stock market, S&P. And then it can continue its grind to the upside. And we can continue the great melt up of the roaring boring 30s. Roaring, non-boring 30s. You were in JR's stream. Just your stream, and wishes is enough. Wishes, wishes. You know what we should do on the way out? We should just go ahead and create a song. Um Um, yes. This will be fun. Hold on, wait. All right, let's see. Copy. We're just gonna one-off it, man. And hope that it's good. All right. Are you ready? It's creating. My AI knows me well enough that it should get it right. Now we are continuing to hold here. We'll see what happens. One, two. This could be the start of a wave 3. We'll see. All right. Here we go. Wait. Where is it? Why did it not create? Bogus, man. So, yeah. What? Brother. Sorry. Melissa, are you still here? Melissa, are you still here? Melissa. Hello? Don't be sorry. You sound like a filthy Canadian. Sorry. I don't like dead air. No one likes dead air. S&P still grinding to the upside, man. Absolutely insane. Party in the Ninja Gang Discord after? Why is it always the Ninja Gang Discord? Gah! All right, here we go. Let's listen.
DJ, cut the beat. Hold up. Who started arguing again? Never mind. Melissa already in chat. One love. Every night about 10 o'clock, chat go crazy, whole thing locked. Moon boy yelling, pop it, man. 5 minutes later, pop it, man. Somebody salty, somebody mad, somebody saying this chart is trash. Then Melissa slide in, smooth as can be. One love everybody, problem solved instantly. She ain't got mods, she ain't got bands. She just typed 2 words, now everybody friends. One love, there she go again. One love, whole chat acting civilized again. One love, bears and bulls all holding hands. Happy birthday, Melissa. LBC's unofficial HR department. Hey, trader loose $5, world gon' end. Bitcoin dead. Here we go again. Melissa said you'll be alright. Do buyback higher. Next candle, moon and night. LBC therapy, absolutely free. No insurance card, no appointment fee. Market nuke, she still smile. Whole chat panic, she vibing meanwhile. If you ever argue, Melissa probably fixed it. If you ever doom posted, Melissa probably hugged it. If you ever got rugged, she probably said one love, one love, one love. Happy birthday to the queen. One love, nicest trader ever seen. One love. Somebody get this woman a trophy, cause if she missed one stream, whole chat need therapy. One love, one love, one love, one love. LBC public service announcement. If Melissa says one love, your blood pressure automatically drops. Scientific fact. Happy birthday, OG. One love.
DJ, cut the beat.
Hey, happy birthday, One Love, LBC OG. Thank you for being awesome and amazing and kind and always sharing around the good vibes and just being an overall genuine, good, authentic person, human being, and to me, family. So, mad love. Thank you for always being a part of the Wave Riders. And yeah, you're amazing. And stay that way. Don't let MFer bring you down, okay? For those that know. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I do greatly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, hitting that sub if you are new, and that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content or when I go live. Please comment in the comment section telling me that you enjoyed the volume analysis this evening, the teaching type style. Let me know. Let me know. And yeah, I try to bring what I can to the people. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. I try to give it to you, man. That's what it's all about. Just a blue collar guy living a blue collar life with 4 crazy kids, an amazing and crazy wife, and a day job, obviously. And yeah, I'm just here to share my experience, my journey with you, what I've learned, what I've seen that does work, what doesn't, personally. Trying to bring transparency and honesty, spread transparency and honesty in crypto and in trading, and have a good time doing it with community, with friends, in Wave Riders case, and Otter Gang, and Piper Academy, family, and who help each other out to become the best traders and crypto analyst and good life stuff. I got good life lessons too if you need any. All right, just ask me questions. I've got a lot of experience with this thing called life, okay? And I don't just mean I've been here a while. I mean, I've seen and done things. But anyways, thank you guys. I do greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to join the Discord. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Links in the description for AlexOCrypto, Piper Academy, JR, and BCPortCorp. Make sure you guys are subbed to every single one of those people. They're amazing people. I got to get Crypto Coin Mindset on there as well. And yeah, so thank you guys. I will see you in the Discord. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all in the next one. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. I don't know what song I'm playing. I don't know. I'm really enjoying Raised in the Trenches, so I'm going to play that one. All right. I love you. Bye for now.
Yeah. LBC. Memphis, Tennessee. They thought the market broke us. Nah. That joint raised us. Raised in the trenches, man. With fear, get exposed. Red all on the screen. Still 10 toes. Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away. Ride. Never did what we told. Raised in the trenches. Raised in the trenches. LBC. Raised in the trenches. We get it how we live it. Clock out. Still toes by the front door. Clock in. Charles growing like a drugstore. Bills due. Still looking at the long game. Everybody scream, say, I don't move the same. Seen that jump crash. Thought it was the end. 6 months later, same folks bam back in. Nah, I learned different. Market don't love you, better learn discipline. Wells don't wait, retail start panicking. I stay quiet, stack another bag again. Memphis tall, hustle, crypto, talk patience. Mix them together now, I'm built dangerous. After that junk shake, stay still. If they all run, don't trill. If the lights go out, keep building. Raised in the trenches, man. With fear, get exposed. Red all on the screen.
Still 10 toes.
Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away, ride.
Never did what we told.
Everybody got alpha, till that wallet go hollow. Everybody a genius till they forced to swallow. I done watch Moon Boy turn ghost overnight. I done watch quiet hands finally get they time. Ain't no screenshots, ain't no running life. Just another blue collar dude trying to trade it right. LBC, late night candle still burning. Every red week mean another page turning.
Market don't know me.
Market don't care.
Either you built for it.
Disappear. Every scar,
Every loss.
every lesson
Every cause.
made me
Who I am.
who I am.
Who I am. LBC.
That LBC.
LBC.
That LBC.
LBC.
That LBC.
LBC.
Now the young bucks ask, how you stay so calm, man? I was born in volatility, chaos my home. Rain, raised with conviction, worth more than a win. Cause if you survive enough win, a spring always rolling. Wave riders deep, whole chat locked, whole crew know. When we get washed, that jut move, we move better. Memphis 10, they king, ride forever. Raised in the trenches, man. What feel, get exposed, red all on the screen.
Still 10 toes.
Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go wave rider ride.
Never did what we told.
Raised in the trenches.
Raised in the trenches.
Raised in the trenches.
LBC.
LBC.
Raised in the trenches.
Mrs. Kenna King.
LBC.
That John raised us. That John raised us.
Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Charts glowing in the dark, screens they like fireflies. Whoa. Wave riders in the deep end. Yeah, we don't survive, we thrive. I can stare at red candles, never blink once. Whole market panicking, I'm like, this looks fun. Blood in the streets, yeah, fear in the chat. Everybody scream sell, I'm leaning right back. Hands off the wheel, yeah, no safety net. Price free falling, I ain't flinching yet. They say don't try this, say you'll get cut. I say watch me buy lows while you throwing up. Knife after knife, yeah, slipping through air. I'm smiling like I'm juggling, I don't even care. Risk on my chest like a badge of pride. If conviction was a crime, I'd be doing life. They say gravity wins, say the fall's too fast. I say pressure makes diamonds, not paper hands. While they pray for exits, I'm calm inside. I don't need protection, just timing and spine. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Line full confidence, till I land. Why land? Wave riders chant, while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Moon guys watching from the shadows above. They don't want your fear, they want blood and guts. So I give them my doubt, yeah, sacrifice stress. Leave emotions on the altar, let the candles get lit. Y'all start whispering voices in my head. Buy when it hurts, sell when they're dead. They say I'm reckless, say I'm unwell, but every legend walks through their own hell. Margin call nightmares, yeah, I sleep just fine. Dreaming in fibs and extension lines. They clutch their pearls when the wick goes long. I'm humming the chaos like it's my song. They need confirmation, permission to sign. I just need a level and a little bit of time. While they freeze up, paralyzed by the sight, I step forward calm in the middle of the knife. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Blindfold confidence, till I land. Why land? Wave riders chant, while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Look, no fear, look, no doubt. Whole book read, I'm zooming out. They say don't try this at home. Good thing my mind's already gone. No helmet, no brakes, just vibes and charts. Moonlight going off, fire time frames and scars. If I wreck, I learn. If I win, I rise. That's the price of dancing with falling eyes. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. Wave riders with me, yeah, we don't understand. Moon gods fair, let the green rain down. From the depths of the wick to the top of the crown. I can catch falling eyes. Watch me glide, no handlebars, just nerves of steel and pride. Say it's insane, say I'm rolling the dice. I can catch falling eyes, yeah, I can catch falling eyes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, I can catch falling knives.
JR, all set?
Wave riders,
What we doing after this?
pulling up. Back to print.
Back to print it.
I remember nights when the screen stayed red. Still showed up, never left. Learn quick, fear caught bread. Patient pay interest. I don't rush trades, I let them breathe. Seen too much to overreact. Moon God, watch how you move. They don't bless panic. Back to print it. Slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision. Moon God, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Yeah. Lost a bag, got it back,
that's tuition not paying. Everybody want fast money till the market touch your name. I don't need hype in my ear, I don't need nobody call. I learn more from drawdowns than I ever did from a ball. Back to printing, slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision, moon guys, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we lift it. Ink dried and we lift it. Ink dried and we lift it. Yeah. They chase green, I chase calm. That's the difference. I don't trade board, I don't trade mad, that's how you finish. Moon high, chart low, still don't fold. I've been broke before, that don't scare me no more. Back to print, slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision, moon guys, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we lift it. Ink dried and we lift it. Ink dried and we lift it. No rush, no noise, same place, still printing. Still print.
Put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put